Bafowethu, kwengizokukhuluma la, angizange ngizokhuluma inzwabethi, but ngizokukhuluma into engike nga-experience. Angizange ngizokhuluma into maybe engayizwa ikhuluma mhlawumbe umkhulu bani noma ugogo bani. Uyabona kulamaphupho la, I mean like kule ndlela zokuphupha engizozisho ey'mbili. Mawuphuphe ngaleyo ndlela, unga-hesitate, you must act. Kufanele ubheke, kufanele unakisise. Kunephupho ozoliphupha mhlawumpe namhlanje, uphinde futhi kusasa or mhlampe evikini uphuphe the same phupho. Lelo phupho lelo ungalithatha kancane, you must act. Kufanele u-acte or uphuphe namhlanje, then mhlampe phambi kwakusasa uphinde uphuphe futhi, shuthi isigameko siyafana. Noma kuthiwa uphuphanga like the same phupho but isigameko siyafana. Kulelo phupho you must act. La ngikhuluma inzwabethi, ngikhuluma, I'm talking from experience. Kunephupho ozoliphupha like njengamanje like uyaphupha. Angisi-expect emaphupheni but ngikhuluma into engike ngayi-experience. So ngiyazi kukhona-ke abazoba mhlampe nembono, but I'm talking the truth. Thothi uyaphupha manje, uphuphe ulele uyaphupha, then by mistake uphazamiseke, mhlampe kube khona u-sound okuthusayo uvuke, or mhlampe uphizwe kuyochama, uvuke uyochama. Uthi mawubuye ulala, lelo phupho lelo li-resume lapho ugcine khona. Mhlampe ephushweni uphuphe mhlampe uthi uye, mhlampe for example, mhlampe uthi usendleleni uye esikoleni ngazomzakela, uphaphame usuyongena egeyithini lesikole, then mawubuya li-resume egeyithini lesikolo lapho ugcine khona, uqhubeke uye phambili. Lelo phupho, don't hesitate, you must act. La ngikhuluma ngento engike nga-experience, angikhulumi insumansumane. Mhlampe kukhona abazongifakazela ngoba phela ezinye izinto azenzeki kuthina sonke. Uyayothi mhlampe ukuxoxela umuntu ongakubhilivi, mhlampe okunye kwenzeke like into yenzeke, uvele ubone unesidingo sokuthi uloke uyixoxela abantu, asikho cause nawe awuyibhilivi. Already mangala ungayibhilivi nabanye abayibhilive but yenzekile. Kuningi nje engisazoninanela, kuningi ngizoninanela. Hlalani le profile, kuningi ngizonichathazela. Kwengikukhulumile, I'm talking from experience. Angikhulumi insumansumane la, futhi hhayi ngoba mhlampe ngiyi-expect emaphupheni, kodwa ngikhuluma into engike nga-experience.